This is unboxing of the Vansky digital HDTV antenna designed for HDTV reception inside the house. This is an indoor antenna, and I ordered it on Amazon because we don't have cable subscription. I only use cable internet, so I have a lot of streaming service, but my wife really wants to watch the Golden Globe that's gonna happen in 2 days. And so I got this HDTV antenna because it can receive the some of the local channels in HD. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, and later on I'm gonna do a video of this antenna hooked up to the TV, and you guys can decide if the reception or the signal is good or not. Okay, so on the back of the box it says features new generation flat design. Comes with a sticker at the base, so basically I guess that just means you can fix it onto things. And the cable is attached directly, coaxial cable, high quality coaxial cable to make it easy to position the antenna, blah blah blah. Specially compatible with HDTV. Okay. So notes for best reception is keep the antenna away from the source of interference and place the antenna near windows for best results. If there are interference, it may cause some light signal loss. Install the antenna as high as possible. Okay, so let's open it up and check it out. And I think this antenna is about $25, and it claims to have a 50-mile range. And there are some other products. Wow, it's quite different than what I imagined. It's actually it's like a piece of plastic, just like that. And of course, in the box, I think we can see a few accessories. Yeah, I thought it was a hard, non-bendable material, but it's actually quite soft. Over here, it looks like a power source. I mean, a power adapter. I don't know what that goes. Okay, anyway, take it out and take a look. So, there is a power adapter. It's really cheaply made. There's almost no weight. And it's rated at, let's see, it's rated at 5 volts at 500 milliamp. Okay, so 0.5 amp output. And there's a, okay, so I see. So this is kind of like a active signal booster or something like that. So basically you have to hook it up to a power source. And let's see. As you can see, so this one, like one end hooks to your TV, and the other end hooks to the antenna's connector, and of course the power adapter goes in from here. It says DC 5 volts, so I would assume that's the place where you put the power adapter. And of course you put one end and plug it into the wall. Let's see. There's another manual. Okay. And since I don't have a DVR, I'm just going to directly hook it onto the TV. In the TV setup manual, set the tuner mode to antenna or air, blah blah blah. Okay. So I'm gonna, it says, do I need an amplifier? It says if your living area is near the transmitter, there's no need for the signal booster. But we'll plug the amplifier onto the wall anyway, just hopefully to get the best results. And I'll come back and update this video. Alright, just thought I would show this again. This antenna, It's like a piece of paper. It's made of plastic, and there are some stickers on here. I think you're supposed to like peel this off and stick it onto the window. And over here, it's another sticker. And here is the receiver. I mean, sorry, here's the cable that either connects to your TV or to the amplifier. So over here, I'm just gonna connect it to the amplifier directly. And everything feels kind of cheap and light, not well made, but I just hope it works. That's all I want it to do. It doesn't have to look good. Just need to last one day for a show. And if it lasts longer, that's great. So now let's go over and put it on the TV and turn on the TV and see what's going on. Alright, so the setup itself is pretty simple and straightforward. It's just that my back of the TV area is kind of messy and unorganized. Apologize for that. And another thing I find is a problem, maybe for someone, is that the USB cable or the adapter cable is for the power for the amplifier. It's kind of short, so you have to have a plug nearby to be able to do it. So I can barely plug it into my plug all the way over there, and now it's connected and it's light up. So I'm gonna turn on the TV and give it a try. Okay. All right, so almost ready. I just set up my TV input from my remote. So if I press TV, it should lead me to the TV selection. And now I'm gonna try to search because I haven't set up the local channels already. And now my TV is actually searching the local network. Oh wow, it actually needs 30 minutes for completion. So I'm gonna just select OK and see if it's able to find any digital channels when I have the HD antenna plugged in. Alright, as we further inside of the searching function, it found about 8 channels that's available. And I went on to the FCC website. It says I'm supposed to be able to receive around 10 channels locally. That's digital or like even HD. So let's see how many channels it finds, and then we'll take a look later. And of course, right now my cat is on my lap. Hello, Sesame. She loves to be sitting here while we're watching TV. And hopefully it's done soon. So I'll pause again and come back later. Alright, so as we're further in, now it actually found 21 channels. That's pretty exciting. 22 now. And still waiting. We'll see the results very soon. Alright, 31 so far. And keep in mind, I have, like, since I've came to Miami, I have never used a TV antenna before. And this is my first time, so I'm excited to see the picture quality of those local channels on the TV. And I have a 65-inch Sony 4K LED TV. And of course, everything that's not 4K is gonna get upscaled. So we'll see how the quality of the TV local digital channel compared to the actual 4K contents. Okay, so we just finished the setup, and they give me some really cool graphics. Oh no, that's actually the TV station. Okay, so let's take a look. And of course, I need to turn the speaker on, which is a soundbar on back of the TV. Let's see. Okay. And I would have to say this is the PBS Kids. It's, I guess, a station for kids. The quality is actually quite good. Very good, actually. And it's playing some sci-fi movies. Looks interesting. Let me switch some channels and see what other channel we have. Okay. And the cool thing is, I guess if you press the info, it even tells you, like right now, the format, it's 1080i, so it's a upscaled 1080 signal. And switch to another channel. And that looks like a PBS. And it's not HD, but the quality is pretty good. So this is 480i. It's also PBS. And it's in Spanish. We're in Miami, so there should be many Spanish channels. And of course, the breaking news of what happened today at Fort Lauderdale Airport. And this looks like CBS Miami Channel 4. It's let's see. It's a 1080i HD signal, Dolby Digital. And I think it's breaking news, and it says it's Judge Judy, so they cut the Judge Judy and just started airing breaking news. The picture quality is really good. There's actually no, it looks as good as our like Uver subscription before. So actually let me stand closer. Sorry, Sesame, I have to let my cat go. And come closer. She doesn't want to go. Okay, a little bit. Let's see the quality. Are zooming, and you can see like the upscale is very good. There's no noise at all. See, there's no noise. So this is one of the local channel that's in HD. The picture quality is very good, very good. So far I'm pretty impressed with the signal of the HDTV antenna. It's doing a really good job. I don't know how it's gonna look without the amplifier, but this is with amplifier. And this is looks like NBC News Channel 6 are zooming in. You guys can see if there's any artifacts. It's almost none, and it's upscale from 1080i to 4K. So this is a 4K display. Change a few channels. And of course, some channel is not HD, so it's gonna display like this. But of course, you have option to stretch it, so it displays in wide angle format aspect ratio. Quite a few channels. And this is telenovela, I think. Spanish channel. Also Spanish. El Chavo. Oh, so this is a Universion. And this is Escape. Don't know what channel is this. I haven't watched TV for a while, so all those are very new to me. Excuse me if I don't know about anything about the channel. So what's this channel? WBFS TV. And right now he's playing TMZ in between ads. Quite a lot of channels.
I'm here for an important reason. Colon cancer. Not to talk. The case.
And TV.
Keep the stuff warm. I'll be back.
And this channel is called This TV.
Local office or call Liberty.
There's TBN. Looks like a Christian channel.
Wings of eagles, they will run and not get weary.
You have to pay tip.
So far I have not cycled through all the channels yet. And I think there's almost 20 channels now. We're almost through. And I think all the last couple channels are all Spanish channels.
I love the music. Not only can I get it on YouTube, and I want to own it.
Spanish channel. And this channel is called Bounce. And this channel is called Grit. Okay, so we just switch through all the channels.
My name's Ocean. I'm in the preach room here at Odd Squad.
And apps.
And now you see the okay, I'll show you guys how the antenna was placed. Like, since I have a window that's like sliding up, there's a gap. So basically I just put the TV like right over there, right next to the window. I don't even need to have to use the stickers. So they're just sitting over there nicely. And of course, you wouldn't be able to see it in front of the TV. And overall, I'm quite impressed with the quality of the HDTV antenna and its abilities. So if you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer all the questions for you guys as much as possible to my best knowledge. But otherwise, I'll post the link below and you guys can just get the same antenna I got for your local TVs and be done. The installation is very, very easy. There's almost no trouble at all. It's like what you see is what you get. You just hook up a couple cables on the back of your TV and you should be all set. So like that. Okay, and thanks again. Take care.